Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is the third video of our data science journey using Python. So in this video we will cover the topic exploratory data analysis. So we will basically cover in today's video firstly introduction, then how to construct a bar graph with overlays using Python, how to construct contingency table using Python, how to construct histograms with overlays using Python, and how to perform binning based on predictive values using Python. So firstly we will see introduction. Today we will dive into the world of exploratory data analysis, exploring powerful techniques to extract meaningful insights from your data. So basically exploratory data analysis is just to extract meaningful insights from your data. So firstly, visualizing data, bar graphs with overlays. So what is a bar graph? What are bar graphs? Bar graphs are ideal for comparing categorical data visually. They show the frequency or magnitude of different categories using bars, like rectangular bars, anything you can see. And overlaying bar graphs, overlays add another layer of information to your bar graphs. This allow you to see how different groups or factors relate with each category. Next, we will see contingency table. An unveiling contingency table displays frequencies for combinations of two categorical variables. So basically it displays combination of frequency of two categorical variables, and contingency table classify outcomes for one variable in rows and the other in columns. The value at the rows and column intersections are frequencies for each unique combination of two variables. As you can see here in this table, male, female and column totals are this and row total is this. And in this contingency table, column represents computer types and rows represent genders, and cell values are frequencies for combination of gender and computer type T. Next, histogram with overlays. So what are histograms? Histograms represent the distribution of continuous data. They show the frequency of values within specific ranges called bins. Now overlaying histograms, overlaying curves on histograms such as a normal distribution curve helps visualize the data's overall shape and identify potential deviations. So now we will see it by running on Google Colab. Firstly, constructing a bar graph with overlay using Python. So as you can see here, first we import matplot library as we discussed in our first video, that what is a matplot library basically is, and import numpy as np. Example data, for example, here we can see category is equal to ABC, values 1 is equal to 10, 20, 15, and values 2, 5, 15 and 10. Now bar graph with overlay x is equal to np dot arrange len of categories, then plt dot bar x minus 0.2, value 1, width is equal to 0.4, label is equal to dataset 1 and color is equal to blue. Now plt dot bar x plus 0.2, values 2, width 0.4, label dataset 2 and color orange. Now plt dot x ticks x categories. Now with x label function we give categories, y label we give values, and title we give bar graph with overlays. Now plt.legend and plt.show. Now in the output we will see a bar graph with overlay. Yeah, as you can see here, bar graph with overlay as we given as title, and dataset 1 and dataset 2, dataset 1 with blue and dataset 2 with yellow. Okay, ABC will be there and the values are 0.0, 2.5 to 7.15, 17.15 and 20.0. Now, second, construct contingency tables. Firstly, we import pandas as PD. In example data is equal to gender, male, female, female, male, male. Purchased, yes, no, yes, yes, no. Now, df is equal to PD dot data frames of data. Now, contingency table is equal to PD dot cross tab. With the help of cross-tab function, the df gender and df purchase print contingency table. So now, as in the output, we see purchased gender female and male. That how many females not purchased is 1 and purchased is also 1, but in male how many not purchased is 1 and the males who purchased are 2, number of males who purchased are 2. Now third we will discuss about constructing histograms with overlays. Now data 1 is equal to 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, and data 2 is 15, 25, 25, 35, 45, 55, and 55. Now histogram with overlay plt.hist. With this function, with the help of this function, the histogram will be generated. As you can see here, data 1 bins is equal to 5, alpha is equal to 0.5, label is equal to data set 1, and color is equal to blue. Now same for data set 2. Now plt.x label values. In x-axis we want value, and y label dot frequency. Y label what will in the y label we will see what will be the frequency, and plt dot title. Now title will be histograms with overlay, and plt dot legend and plt dot show. Now in the output, as you can see here, histograms with overlay in dataset 1 with blue and dataset 2 with yellow, or we can say orange as we given. And here in the y-axis there is a frequency, and x-axis there is a value as we discussed before. And this is a histogram with overlay with the help of Python. Now next is binning based on predictive values. So example data is df of scores is equal to pd dot series 45, 78, 88, 56, 92, 60. It will convert to pandas series for automatic alignment or NaN filling. Now, or if you intend to add a new row with a score, with the score you could do this. Df.log len of df.index is equal to new gender new purchase of 60. Replace with actual new row values. Define bins and label. So bins is equal to 0, 50, 70, 90, and 100, and labels is equal to poor, average, good, excellent. Now hashtag binning. How to do binning? Df of category is equal to pd dot cut df of scores. Bins is equal to bins, labels is equal to labels, and right is equal to false. Now print of df. Now the df will be printed and the output will be, as you can see here, gender. This is the indexing 0, gender male, purchased yes, scores are 45, category poor. Now 1 female, no 78 good, 2 female yes 88 good. As you can see here, it's average, and fourth one is 90, scores 92 and excellent. And we have covered everything we discussed in our today's lecture. So today we learned how to visualize and analyze data using bar graphs, contingency tables, and histograms. Binning helps enhance predictive power by grouping data based on its influence and outcomes. So thank you for watching my video till end.